Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Glamego Box for the month of July. So before I proceed with the unboxing, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, then make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. Now one more thing guys, if you are not aware of what Glamego Box basically is, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box. I mentioned everything in detail over there. So basically Glamego Box is a very affordable beauty subscription box here in India that comes for just rupees 399 per month. So let's quickly open up the box and see how the inside of it looks. Okay, so this is how the inside of the box basically looks, and all the Glamego boxes are reusable magnetic boxes, so you can actually use them for storing your different items. So let's see what this month's card basically says. So this month's theme is 5 steps Korean style skincare routine, and apart from that it also says that there are 10 brands in one box with free samples in the box. And what I can see is this month's box actually has a lot of products, as you can see. So I'm going to talk about all of these products one by one. So let's see what is the first product in this month's box. And what I can see on the card is that guys, they have actually divided the products according to the steps. So the 5 main products that are inside this month's box are divided according to the different steps that you are supposed to do. So I'm going to take out the products in that order itself. So let's see what is the first one. So the first one is from Alda Cosmetica, and this is step number 1. This is basically a makeup remover balm. So I've never tried a makeup remover balm before, and what does it say? It says that this has orange and watermelon with it, with argan oil and vitamin E extracts in it. So all you're supposed to do is massage it, and it's going to melt all your makeup, and then you can just wipe off your makeup. So the price of this is not mentioned because this says that this is basically a tested product. So this is how it looks inside. It looks like a lip balm. So let me take a little bit of this and see. Ooh, okay, so it's like very moisturizing and very hydrating, and it's like a bit I would say oily, so it's just going to take off your makeup, but it's not super oily. It's not going to make your skin very oily or something, but it's just going to take off the makeup. So that's really nice, and it smells pretty good. So the next product is from Herb Island, and it's basically an Australian brand. So this is supposed to be step number 2, and that is basically a glow boosting and anti-aging scrub face wash with vitamin C inside. So this one is basically a 100 ml product, and to be honest, the face wash looks really nice. The price of this is $4.75. Step number 3 is a product from a brand which has been featured by Sephora, and this is basically a product from Vautre. So it's a spa exfoliant, so that means it's going to be a scrub, and what it basically says is that this is supposed to reduce wrinkles, it's going to reduce your scars on the face, it's going to even out the skin's texture and color. The price of this is again not mentioned on it. It says this is for promotional use. Let's move on to the next product. So the next product is something I think we all need these days, and it's basically a product from Tusba Naturals, which is basically a purely organic brand, and the product is basically an under eye roll-on. And I think this is something we all need these days because we are so much into our smartphones and into our laptops that most of the time we get really bad dark circles or we get puffy eyes, and I think it's going to be such a good relief for all of those issues. So this one is basically a 9 ml product, and it looks like a full-size product because generally under eye roll-ons are not bigger than this. So this one is priced at rupees 450, and you can use it within June 2020. So the 5th product in here is from Aroma Magic, and Aroma Magic is personally one of my favorite brands. Like I really like their products, and it's basically a sun block lotion. So this is a moisturizer, and this one has SPF of 30 in it with PA++ protection. So it's going to be moisturizing, but at the same time it's also going to give you some sun block, which is really good. So again, this one does not say say the price is not mentioned. So those were the 5 Korean beauty steps that was included in this month's box. So I'm definitely going to try out all the steps one after the other and let you guys know how they basically work on my skin. On my Instagram, I'm definitely going to update you guys. Now, even after showing you guys so many different products, let me show you the box. I still have so many products left. So these are basically all the free samples that they have included. So they have said that there are going to be 10 different products in this month's box. So the first one that I can see is basically a Radiance Day Cream from Perrine. I think that is how you pronounce it. So I have basically used this product before and I think this is quite moisturizing. Let's move on to the next sample. So the next sample in here is something to snack on. So it's basically a snack from Keros. So it's basically a roasted super snack multigrain. This one has a low glycemic index and 0 cholesterol. So this one is rich in protein, iron and 0 trans fat and 0 cholesterol. The third sample in here is something I think is going to be so helpful for all of us. It's basically a cleansing charcoal nose strip and I think these are so good, guys. You know, all you have to do is just apply it and take it off and it's going to take off all your blackheads. I think these are so convenient to use and these are really good. So thank you Glamego Box for including this in this box. The fourth sample in here is from the brand Acne's and I have actually used their Menthol Cool face wash before and I've really loved that face wash. So the sample that I've received is basically a clarifying face wash. I've never used this before. The last sample in here is something that I'm really eager to try and that is a packet of green coffee. I've never tried green coffee before but I always wanted to try it out. So I'm so happy that I have received this. So basically let me explain what is green coffee. So basically green coffee is supposed to be decaffeinated. It has no preservatives, no additives, no stimulatives. So it's something very good for people who have IBS or if you're not allowed to have caffeine. I think this is going to be very helpful for you. And with that, finally guys, the box is empty and with that we actually come to the end of this video. So guys, overall if you ask me my thoughts on this month's box, then in one word I would say awesome. I really like this month's box because there are so many different products in this month's box and I think this month's box is totally like it's fully worth it. So I think your 400 rupees or your 399 rupees is totally worth it. So you can definitely go for the box if you want to. The link is mentioned down in my description box. So guys, with that this video comes to an end. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the small notification bell. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.